a bit odd, aren't they?
The new Corolla Cross GR Sport, filled with thrills.
This weekend, it's the second leg of the MTN 8. We've seen the first legs. It was Mamelodi Sundowns losing to Golden Arrows. Sundowns were at home. Golden Arrows will now be at home. And of course, Orlando Pirates travelled to Epolokwane to beat Sikukune, and they also beat Sikukune again midweek. So Vilagazi, Ubobo, and also Junior Kanye will give us their predictions for this weekend. Let me start with you, So. Let's start with the Orlando Pirates game. I'm sure a lot of South Africans think it's a foregone conclusion, given that we've seen these teams in 2 matches already. Orlando Pirates 1 up. What kind of game do you think you will see there?
Mr. Gay, it's ready, man. For the game, let's start.
Up the backs?
No, I can play that game also. I mean, Paris, we nearly 1-0, they've won 2-0. So this game is a formality that needs us now. That from our age we can come and play.
I'm a legend, Pagania.
Yeah, no, it's our game. So yeah, it's there's no pressure, there's nothing.
Always respect the game, Mr. So.
Yes,
What
Mr.
kind of
Gay,
game
yes.
do you think we'll see?
Look, Mr. Gay, it's not going to be an easy game. Because I remember that Coach Kazi needs to fix what happened in the first leg, what happened on Tuesday. So he's got a serious assignment to say, how come Pirates they beat 2 home and away twice? So find a way. If you have to beat them, actually go and beat them.
Very difficult to beat Pirates at the Orlando Stadium, of course.
Definitely. At Arena, Mr. Keo, they are on song. So, on Tuesday, how they were playing, they've created chances. And for me, I was very happy. There's one thing that I love, Mr. Keo, is when I see a player scoring a goal. I love scoring. And to see Orlando Pirates coming to the game, getting a chance, scoring a goal, beautiful.
All right, final score prediction, Orlando Pirates, Kunkuna?
Yeah, no, I can give again 2-0 for Orlando Pirates.
Orlando Pirates going to the final.
Yeah.
Golden Arrows are hosting Sundowns. I think they beat Sundowns in KZN in the league last season. They were one of the first teams to beat Sundowns last season under our coach Cardoso, Coach Mangoba Mngiti at the time as well. So I don't think that it's going to be as easy as Sundowns going to KZN and getting a result. What kind of game there? It's 1-0. Does Golden Arrows try to defend that advantage, or do they go all out against Sundowns?
Mr. K is going to be a very tough one. As you're saying now, last season they've beat, Sundowns, sometimes it takes me back when it was Bay United, always beat Mamelodi Sundowns. So I think, it's going to be a very tough one. And I'm sure coach is going to defend the coach. Osimo Lapayana, like he did against Orlando Pirates last season. He played very well in defense. He frustrated Pirates.
It's Coach Pizzo.
Coach Pizzo Ladla. Yeah. He makes sure that he frustrated Pirates, defended very well. And I think even now, he's going to do that, but Sanders they need to be careful with the transition play.
Final score prediction?
Arrows, they are going to the final. The score is going to be 2-1. It's going to be 2-1, and then Arrows, they're going through I think they will go through, yeah.
So Vilagazi, Golden Arrows going to the final, Orlando Pirates going to the final. Bobzit, let's take it from where So left it off. He thinks Golden Arrows will go to the final against Mamelodi Sundowns. Let's look at that game. Golden Arrows, Mamelodi Sundowns. It's not going to be easy. Golden Arrows have an away goal. Maybe the biggest question to everyone is the way that they're going to approach that game. Do you want to be defensive, or do you want to go all out against the Sundowns? And also, we watched Sundowns midweek playing against Amazulu as well. They look like they're back. Utebza in the midfield is back. Brian Leon finally scored as well. Do you think Arrows will want to defend that, or they want to go toe-to-toe and open against Sundowns?
Yeah, Mr. Nko, I think Arrows are going to defend. It's not easy to play against Sundowns, especially playing home with Golden Arrows. Bani aggregate 1-0. For me, I think they're going to defend. And if bangabheki kahle, the more bazo defend, mhlawumbe bafuna ukudefenda ngamanamba amaningi, bangaba nema problems. Because now, I think also Sundowns, they will go all out. They will bring their first team. Engicabanga ukuthi ile team engicabanga ukuthi bazocompete ngayo ku Golden Arrows, but if Golden Arrows ingakwazi mhlambe absorb le pressure izoza ne Mamelodi Sundowns, mhlambe if inga half time kuyile 0-0, maybe kungaba nale understanding yokuthi nosikwazile ukuthi sibabambe, but Angayibe lula le game, Mr. Nko. It's going to be a tough match because if Arrows score first, it's a pressure to Mamelodi Sundowns. But if Sundowns score first, pressure to Golden Arrows because now it's 1-1 score. So I think, yeah, Mr. Nko, it's going to be a tough one.
Yeah. How important is a domestic trophy for Coach Cardoso? I know he's at Sundowns to win stars, to win the CAF Champions League primarily. How important are these domestic competitions?
Yeah, Mr. Nko, it's very important for Coach Cardoso to win domestic trophies. But the problem now is how you manage your squad. Because, you know, the priority, it's the big fish, CAF Champions League. So, at the end of the day, if you bring in players abangadlali most of the time, kuba a problem lapho nalapho because the chemistry is not there. So, ngicabanga ukuthi it's very important. Each and every trophy to Mamelodi Sundowns is important. But unfortunately, you need to prioritize which trophy ngicabanga ukuthi you can rest players kuwo. Like now, uma ungabheka when they play league, they bring another squad. Ngicabanga ukuthi ile squad esinama A-game players. I mean, kunabadlali vele uthola ukuthi abadlali week in week out. Those are the players abazodlala mhlambe kulama cup games. But abaleka wonke ama trophy for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Golden Arrows at home against Mamelodi Sundowns.
I think, Mr. Nko, I see Golden Arrows score against Sundowns, but Sundowns can score more. I think 2-1 score. Sundowns can win that game 2-1.
And they go through on goal difference if they win 2-1.
I think so, Mr. Nko.
They'll score more away goals than Golden Arrows. Yes. There you are then. Let's look at the Sekhukhune Orlando Pirates game. It's been Aikutazi because the opposition seems to be losing to Pirates. Of course, we don't expect Sekhukhune with the Pirates, but we also want the coaches and the players to bring something to the table. In mindset yabadlali Pirates not to be complacent. How important will that be? Ukuthi ningabathathi kancane.
Yeah, I think Mr. Nko, you depend on the lineup yaga Coach Wadu. I think Coach Wadu is very smart, especially when it comes to the game afana nalawa. Because if also undermine a team afana Sekhukhune, if Sekhukhune score first, it's a problem. But I don't see Sekhukhune winning that game, Mr. Nko. Pirates, the way corner, Coach Wadu understand Orlando Pirates. I think Uzo's a team. I repel a game because the wing in Bonangakon, if you rep game first half, then second half you can give other players a chance to play, especially the young ones, Mklambe Abongwatu, Khositsile, those players, Mklambe Abomasilela, Mkamagutia, Orlando Pirates in a upper hand, Mr. Nko, to win their game. Obviously, the way they're corner away and also na league games, it shows ukuthi ingentla Sekhukhune. So I don't see Sekhukhune ukuthi ngaphume Orlando, Mr. Nko.
Final score prediction?
Yeah, I think Pirates can win that game, Mr. Nko. 2-0, 3-0. I don't see Sekhukhune iphuma lapha Orlando, Mr. Nko.
The biggest question, Junior, I think, with Sekhukhune is, do they have more to offer? Masbabega, do they look like they can cause a problem to Pirates? Because they've lost 2 matches in a row, Pirates, in the space of a couple of days. Do they have anything to give? The coaching and the players, do they have more to give?
A lot of job has to be done with Sekhukhune mfethu nangeke yenzeke in the kulama game ayi3 lawo sewadlaliwe okanye igame es4. Going to Orlando, it's another mountain to climb. You're playing against player number 12, which is a supporter. It's not going to be easy. Yes, Pirates, they even nababaga itoli redeem because of new midfielders. But quality players, about Sainayo. Now we saw Redupane Adifti Sandla. I see Redupane good game again, starting the game. They've got a number of quality players compared to Sekhukhune. And Sekhukhune, I don't know who can they rely on, especially individual as a coach. I don't think he knows these players, the coach as well. Because, and also coach, I think, umuntu stereotype, umuntu ngafuni kwazi. I mean, the way approach game ngakhona, le lose the first game, yale tournament, yale cup. I mean to say, we are uyodlala league mid during the week now. Play the same, with the same players, same mindset. Akashintshanga nix, bamkora uyahlala kana problem. No, I don't think we'll see any differently especially the first round, first leg of the tournament. So, yeah, Pirates is a rep game because of, I'm a fans, they will expect, good my expectations to I'm a fans.
Yeah.
I know with couple
and that's their favorite competition, MTN8. They've been dominating.
And less I slow Taiwan. Irrespective of Pirates, when they play their fans, they from the first whistle, because kuna my expectation, kuna bantu set standard, tabonko, tabonfuking. The list goes on. Like Tito Masonga, players that left the team, but share that legacy, and they need a continuity. So, Pirates abaga totally redeem, but quality players. So I don't see Sekhukhune beating Orlando Pirates. I think the Pirates will go all the way, man.
Final score prediction?
Yeah, 1-0. Pirates, so I think it's a game of Pirates will create so many chances, but they will get 1 goal. But Sekhukhune, I don't see troubling Pirates. I don't think they will either score even a goal.
All right. Let's focus then on Golden Arrows at home to Mamelodi Sundowns. It's 1-0 to Golden Arrows, and Sundowns have all to play for. Of course, Sundowns winning midweek against Amazulu. What kind of game do you think we'll see this weekend with Sundowns? Because they are trailing, they are 1-0 down.
I think somebody could mean Mikel Cardoso to good end of the stop experiment. You understand? Play with our best team. When you rest players, but you can't rest the whole team. Now Limaza Island Kulmanga Paris changing the whole team. You can't expect some results. Uzodlala ngama moments. You understand? Mawuthola the proper organized team. You understand? Okanye team engakusabi. You'll get punished. So I think somebody spoke to the coach. With coach, bring our best team. The team has started champ EKF ngayo. And then ungawenza ama changes as time goes, but you can't check the whole team. You can check 1 or 2. Ngimbonile uqale ngebest team yakhe. Ngikhuluma midweek. Brian Leon, I was happy to see a spectacular goal, quality striker. Obviously, bega frustrated na Mangakori. I mean, the guy who figure second round of the season last year, he showed with class like. Debs are totally injured now, but they've got quality players. So Mabaluze 1 or 2 players bring the team level last season, especially the team winning Kev, being number 2, go to Premiership. I'm fit to equal the Roses to manage.
The question to, I think, Coach Piso Dladla will be, I think is even thinking about it now. Uguti, how do I approach this? Do I go, because we first leg, because you are away, than a big team, he was absorbing the pressure, hitting Sundowns on the counter with 3 attackers. How does it do it now in terms of how to approach the game? Do you defend that 1-0 advantage that you have, or do you play a more open game?
Let's frustrate him. As keep any shape, Machita. I think they're gonna keep in shape. Also, Bachela keep any shape. Spaba make a transition. You understand? Keep shape. I think if first half also from when the show with Sundowns I go. He be frustrated. Second half, but pusher. Plum is gonna push 2 players. With the let's get today. Ngobema play with Aruzane speed. By Yenzile away. Yeah, boy Lucas Maripe and created so many chances in high transition counter attack. So uzofuna ukudlala kanjalo. I think kuzoba neplay ukuthi let's defend. As for frustrating, make sure and concede, Matoda. It's not a must for you to score, but when you defend every man behind the ball, you understand. And yeah, Mangabe, you have the ball. Aslamini will manage Aguma, especially Afiniabo, not in our half. So uzofuna kuba ne plan. I don't think we'll go all out. Ngoba we has Sundowns, pitting Sundowns bazoza babili mfethu. It's like they know ukuthi mele bakore. Sundowns they will go. Ayikho game ebadlalela for draw anyway. But kule abaqala ngesizini kahle. But watching them during the week, especially first half, angabi convinced ngizosho. Yes, amagoli ngabonile bakorele 2 goals first half. I think good this season it's the first time bakore 2 goals in first half. So indabi quality at Sundowns. Noma nabo bangaka reach that level. Bekuliyo lebhola likorile yabo. uTebs abekahleli uyabuya khashaza. So I don't think Golden Arrows will manage to the team that
final score prediction is Sundowns going to the final.
Yeah, 3-1. 3-1 Leo uzokhashaza la. uTebs angibona uzokhashaza. I'm not too sure about number 3. Number 3, whoever that I think, but kule 2. I think they'll score. Sundowns they score 3 goals. Arrows is all scoring 1, but Sundowns going all the way.
All right, nice one. Sundowns and the Pirates final for Junior Kanye. Yeah. There you go. Thank you very much.
This is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.